Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Sylvie Ramadhani. I'm from class A3 of Elementary School Teachers Education with name 230600135. Here I will present a seminar proposal that I have compiled. The title, Development of Teaching Materials Assisted by Flashcards Media Using the Directed Reading Thinking Activity Model to Improve the Reading Comprehension Ability of Grade 3 Elementary School Students. The problem statement reading comprehension is a skill every student must possess. Reading comprehension is not limited to pronouncing words and sentences. It goes beyond that, guiding students to understand the content of what they read. Numerous national and international surveys indicate that Indonesian students' reading skill remain very low, which can impact their ability to comprehend reading and comprehend learning materials. Data from the Program for International Student Assessment 2022 indicate that almost no Indonesian students achieve a score of level 5 in reading and comprehension. This demonstrates that Indonesian students' literacy and reading comprehension skill are low. Particularly in reading comprehension skill, this confirms that improving reading and comprehension skill is crucial to supporting student success in the learning process. However, to improve students' reading comprehensions, teachers often struggle to select and adapt teaching materials to the appropriate models and media for use in the learning process. Therefore, innovation in learning is crucial to develop maximize reading skill. One learning model that can be used to support teaching materials to improve students' reading comprehensions is the directed reading thinking activity learning model use flashcards. This model and media are appropriate learning strategies for improving students' reading comprehensions. And next, statement of the problem. 1. How is the process of developing teaching materials using the directed reading thinking activity model assisted by flashcard to improve reading comprehension for third grade elementary school students? And 2. How are teaching materials using the directed reading thinking activity model assisted by flashcards assessed as appropriate for improving reading comprehension for third grade elementary school students, according to experts and practitioners? And 3. How do students respond to teaching materials using the directed reading thinking activity model assisted by flashcard to improve reading comprehensions for third grade elementary school students? And 4. Can developing teaching materials using the directed reading thinking activity model assisted by flashcards improve reading comprehensions for third grade elementary school students? And next, research objective. 1. Developing teaching materials using the directed reading thinking activity model assisted by flashcards to improve reading comprehensions for third grade elementary school students. And 2. The feasibility using the directed reading thinking activity model assisted by flashcard assessed as appropriate for improving reading comprehensions for third grade elementary school students according to experts and practitioners. And 3. Students respond to teaching materials using the directed reading thinking activity model assisted by flashcards to improve reading comprehensions for third grade elementary school students. And 4. Develop teaching materials using the directed reading thinking activity model assisted by flashcards to improve reading comprehensions for third grade elementary school students. And next, research method. The method in this study uses the research and development method. According to Juliana 2021, the R&D method is a research and development method used to produce or refine certain products and test the effectiveness of these products because by using this method, teaching materials can be developed more systematically and in accordance with current developments. In implementing this method, the researcher uses the ADDIE model. In line with the opinion according to Sugiana 2013, there are 5 steps in implementing the ADDIE model, that is, analysis, design, development, implementation, and evaluation. And next, research subjects and location. A limit trial was conducted at an elementary school in Cihampelas District, West Bandung Regency, with 15 third grade students. A broader trial was conducted at an elementary school in Cihampelas District, West Bandung Regency, with all third grade students. And research instrument. 1. Test assessment. Using descriptive questions to obtain data on students' reading comprehension skills. 2. Non-test assessment, that is A. Observation of the learning process to obtain data on student activity and engagement in the learning process. B. Documentation study of students during the learning process to obtain data. C. Administering questionnaires to students to obtain data on student response during the learning process. And next, data processing procedures. Data processing is adjusted according to the type of data obtained. Qualitative data is processed descriptively and quantitative data is processed using SPSS and Microsoft Excel in the following formats. 1. Descriptive statistic to describe the development stage, response, and constraints during development. 2. Inferential statistic to assess product effectiveness. And next, research schedule for the development method. 1 month, proposal preparation. 2nd month, preliminary study and literature review. 3 month, group discussion forum and validation 1, product design. 4 month, limit trial and product revision. 5 month, broader trial validation 2 and product revision. 6 month, product testing. 7 month, thesis writing. And the last one is the reference. This research refers to relevant reference and is in accordance with the research topic with a publication year between 2020 to 2025. Thank you for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.